Roger Took, art historian, museum curator, author and convicted child sex offender. Ahmad Massoud, leader of the National Resistance Front of Afghanistan. This is just some of the graduates from the academy. The full list is much longer, which goes to show the influence and power that military intelligence has in selecting leaders from all over the world to front up companies, organizations, government, politicians, administrations, celebrity/public figures, explorers, archaeologists, and corporate leaders and founders. Who you see on public display have all gone through military intelligence programs where they are puppets/gophers for Yaldabaoth. All these puppet leaders have been placed there by the British after they gave independence to the former colonies to covertly rule. This is achieved by placing front reptilian royal families to do your bidding and to set up secret societies to control the direction of society you want it to go. By controlling all the major aspects required to control the laws/policies implemented in that target country, such as military/intelligence agencies, economy, government/politicians and the mainstream media, censoring any information source that undermines your regime/agenda. Now, let's look at the laws/policies that have been passed in some of these countries that have an active monarchy. Spain has a number of laws that target freedom of speech. These laws are called gagging laws that were passed in 2015. The new citizen security law requires prior governmental consent to engage in peaceful protest, as well as limiting severely the places in which such protests can take place. The reform of the criminal code has the potential to unfairly punish those who convene marches, whilst increasing the sanctions which can be imposed for offences taking place in the context of protests. The article goes on to say that the laws passed are too vague and they are open to interpretation. That's the idea, to censor those who challenge the establishment, thus neutering any opposition irrespective if it's peaceful or not. That's the excuse. Japan. Passed on December 6, 2013, Japan's Act on the Protection of Specially Designated Secrets, SDS, also known as 2013 State Secrets Law. It allows the government to designate defense, diplomacy, counterterrorism, and counterintelligence information as secret for up to 60 years. The law imposes severe penalties, including up to 10 years in prison for officials leaking info and 5 years for journalists soliciting it, aiming to strengthen intelligence sharing with allies like the US. The law was heavily criticized by journalists, lawyers, and academics, with public protests taking place over fears it restricts press freedom and the public's right to know. Opponents noted that the law was drafted in secret, rushed through the Diet with limited consultation, and lacked robust independent oversight. Critics warned of a chilling effect on whistleblowers and media reporting. The law